Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update TensorFlow data validation with anomaly thresholds, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start updating TensorFlow data validation with anomaly thresholds, ensure your environment is set up correctly. Begin by opening your project in your preferred integrated development environment. Next, check the current version of TensorFlow data validation you are using. You can do this by running the command pip show TensorFlow data validation in your terminal. If your version is outdated, update it to the latest version using the command pip install upgrade. Once updated, import TensorFlow data validation in your Python script. You can do this by adding the line import TensorFlow_data_validation as TFDV. Now, you need to load your dataset to analyze. Use the function tfdv.read_csv, your _dataset.csv, to read your dataset into a variable. Next, generate the schema for your dataset. You can create a schema by running schema equals tfdv.infer_schema data. To set anomaly thresholds, define the anomalies you want to monitor. For instance, you may want to set thresholds for numerical features such as maximum and minimum values. Use the tfdv.utils.set_thresholds, schema, feature_name, lower_limit, upper_limit function for this purpose. Ensure you specify the correct feature name and the limits that align with your data integrity requirements. After setting the thresholds, validate your schema against your training data. You can use the function anomaly_results equals tfdv.validate_statistics schema for this step. Review the anomaly results to identify any deviations from the expected distribution. If anomalies are detected, further investigate the affected features. Use the function tfdv.visualize_anomalies, anomaly_results, to help visualize the results. Document the anomalies and decide on necessary actions based on your findings. Once you are satisfied with your anomaly thresholds, save your updated schema. You can do this by running tfdv.write_schema, updated_schema.pbtxt. Finally, ensure to test the new schema with future data to maintain data quality over time. With this guide, you have successfully updated TensorFlow data validation with anomaly thresholds. Continue refining your model by resetting thresholds based on new insights as they arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.